Jamaicans are very, very productive people. We're so creative that any nook and cranny you go in Jamaica, you will find someone with a bright idea. So the government of Jamaica, through PIOJ and SDC, have decided to work with different communities and to extract the ideas along with the people, not leaving the people behind, and take them and develop those ideas to become big business and big ideas. And so that is what we're here celebrating. And we are partnering, Barita Foundation is partnering with the PIOJ, Planning Institute of Jamaica, and Social Development Commission, SDC, as we embark on the financial literacy training as a part of the local economic initiative. So under the local economic initiative, it is a big picture where PIOJ and SDC are working with these communities and the individuals to help them to be developed to their best potential. And Barita Foundation is now partnering to ensure that these persons are equipped with the knowledge that they need as to how to get funding, how to get their businesses to be structured in a way that they can attract investment, how they can structure their business to make the best of them financially, to be profitable, and everything it is that they need to know about money management and just the money business on a whole. So we are here excited today to embark on this training, and we are looking forward. It is across a whole lot of communities, and it's for a number of months. But for today and tomorrow, we will be working in Kingston and St. Andrew with these small business owners. And so we're about to get started. Thank you, and we're taking you on a journey with us today.